Hello, right now we are setting up the game like a game master, and I will explain you how the software works and how the door lock mechanisms are working. In the interface, the general game flow is on the main page, but if the game master control every light and the lock specifically needs to go to the debug console. And for this example, we will use the second door, lock room 2. Right now it's in the lock-in position, the door is open, so we can prepare it and close it. And right now it's locked. The first option that we can unlock it from the software, just pressing the icon and it's released. I'm locking it again. And the second option, in case of any kind of emergency, players just can push the button and it's released automatically. After pushing the emergency button, it's locked, so we need to release it back with turning. And it's ready to use again.